between you, me, and understanding English spatial relations, mastering between. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our course. Today, we are continuing with our series on describing things in English, focusing specifically on spatial relations. The topic for today's lesson is between. We'll explore what between means, how to use it correctly in sentences, and share plenty of examples. So, let's get started. When it comes to spatial relations, between is a word we use to describe a position or location of something in relation to two other things. The term between implies that the object or person is in the middle of two other objects or people. For instance, if you say, "The house is between the church and the school," it means that the house is located in the middle of the church and the school. It's time to dive into some sentence structure. Here is the common structure when using between. Subject plus verb plus between plus object 1 plus and plus object 2. For example, the pen is between the notebook and the computer. Or, if you want to talk about yourself in relation to other people, I am not plus between plus person 1 plus and plus person 2. For example, I am not between John and Susan. Remember, we use between to show that something is in the middle of two other things. Now, let's practice with some exercises. Remember, you can always pause the video and take your time. 1. Fill in the blank. The book is blank, the cup and the plate. 2. True or false? If I say, "The cat is between the dog and the bird," it means the cat is outside the house. 3. Write a sentence using the word between to describe where your favorite item is located in your room. Feel free to share your answers in the comments, and we'll review them together. And there we have it. We've learned what between means, how to use it correctly in sentences, and even got some practice in. Keep practicing this concept in your daily conversations, and soon it'll become second nature. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. So, keep going, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!